March edition of CIS News. As we move further into 2025, we are thrilled to bring you the latest updates, events, and achievements from Countryside International School. These months have been filled with remarkable achievements and exciting moments. Let's dive into the academic highlights of this eventful time.
The love for reading grows stronger as the CIS family immerse themselves in the readathon. With every book they read, they expand their knowledge and imagination. We invite everyone to be a part of this wonderful reading journey. Let's turn the pages together and celebrate this wonderful reading journey together.
In hard work and achievement, CIS conducted prize distribution across all grades, recognizing the efforts of our young achievers. From academic excellence to co-curricular brilliance, our scholars were honored for their perseverance and dedication. Congratulations to all the winners.
The academic journey of this term reached a significant milestone with the successful completion of the final assessments. Our scholars showcased their learning, dedication, and perseverance through these evaluations. As they step forward, we applaud their efforts and wish them continued success.
Our grade 6 scholars had an insightful field trip to the Simul dairy, exploring the dairy farm production process and its journey from farm to table. It was a valuable hands-on learning experience.
Our grade 10 and 12 scholars successfully appeared for their board exams in March, marking a significant milestone in their academic journey, wishing them great results and a bright future ahead.
Our scholars showcased remarkable performance in the JEE main results, making us proud with their dedication and hard work. Congratulations to all the achievers on this milestone.
From special days to grand events, every celebration was a story to remember.
Countryside International School has once again secured the prestigious Green School Award, marking the consecutive 4 years in the Green category. This remarkable achievement has been a testament to the collective efforts of students, teachers, and CIS parents in fostering a culture of environmental responsibility. More than just an award, this Green School movement at CIS nurtures the young climate action warriors to strive the earth to make a greener and more habitable place. Let's continue our journey towards sustainability.
Udaan 3.2 marked the beautiful send-off for the Class 12 batch of 2024-25. The event was filled with nostalgia, joy, and heartfelt wishes as scholars shared unforgettable moments, wishing them endless success and happiness as they soar towards a new horizon.
The annual event Sneha was a grand celebration of talent and achievement. It was the evening shown with the vibrant dance performances and mesmerizing enactment of Cinderella, leaving the audience in awe. Then, adding to the joy, it was also a proud moment for our senior KG scholars as they celebrated their graduation day, beautiful milestone to their learning journey, a night to cherish.
Spurs 2025, a tribute to the flow of life. CIS celebrated Founders Day with a spectacular showcase of talent, creativity, and emotion. Scholars from grades 1 to 11 took the stage with mesmerizing dance performances and a beautifully crafted play, all woven around the theme of rivers, symbols of life, flow, and resilience.
Let's celebrate our sports achievements. Here's a glimpse of the remarkable victories. Congratulations to Swara Patel for securing second place at the Surat District Yoga Competition and advancing to the state level.
Congratulations to our talented CIS scholars, Ritu Vora and Satya Sarawala for clinching first place at District Karate Championship, Surat. Their remarkable achievements reflect their determination and spirit.
Kudos to our karate champs, Krishnadev C. Churasma and Vivan Patel for their stellar win at the District Karate Championship.
Rashi Mistri's taekwondo spirit earns her a well-deserved silver at Inter-Club Championship.
Our CIS swimmers showcased their incredible speed and skills as Praniti Wagh clinched first place Arav Limbasia secured second place, while Harship Sri Maida and Kanishka Patel secured third place in the 100-meter freestyle event. As we wrap up the vibrant months of February and March, we thank you for being a part of this incredible journey. With hearts full of pride and joy, we sign off this edition, grateful for the memories we have created together. We return in the academic year 2025-26 with even more milestones, celebration, and inspirational moments to share. Until then, keep shining bright and stay inspired. Thank you.